Hello, welcome back to another video in Space Kids 101. Today we are opening these sea life putties. So we have 4 of them. Let's get into it. So first we have this one. So I'm just gonna take the wrapper off. Sorry, it's bad placement. We're in a hotel right now. Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna collect all of this and out of the 4 and see like what like how much putty there is. This is a lot of putty. How much already there is like that. Wait, that's gooey. Gooey, slimy, stinky. Oh. Okay, so we got a starfish. Sorry, just the cleaning ladies here. So this is the first putty. And we got a starfish, like this blue starfish. Oh, we got a little bit more putty in here. I want to get that. Get all of it. Let's see how much there is. So,
yeah, you know around what time? 9? 8
next we have this putty.
Oh, it's not here?
These wrappers are hard to open. You gotta find like the sweet stuff. There you go. Okay. Let's open
Yeah,
this.
depends where they fire them at. What's that island there called?
Gooey. Oh, it had a bubble in
More
it.
this way.
Oh, got it. Oh, this is so fun to play with, like blue. This is how much we have right now in our pile. Okay. Wow. Oh. So I think this is just like some octopus. Oh, that is so gooey. Oh. Okay, we got a little bit more putty left. Let's try to get this. How much putty we already have? That's a lot. Yeah, this big ball of putty. It's crazy. Okay. So we got our octopus and our starfish. A bit more putty. You want all of that putty, and I'll show you it at the end. Oh, that was pretty easy. Okay. I think there's also another bubble. No, there isn't. Okay. I can already tell it's starting to build up.
You want me to tighten the bed or you good?
No, you can do that, that's fine.
Huh?
You can do that, that's fine.
Yeah, Julie. Do you want to do it?
Let's see if it's farting putty.
Are you from here?
I'm from Alabama.
No.
Where is that?
Farting.
That's an island in the Bahamas. You ever been there?
I haven't been there. No, this is my second time to the Bahamas.
And you came Nassau twice.
Correct. The first time it was my friend's wedding. He married Abrahamian. He married in the Atlantis.
Nice.
Yeah, it was nice there. And
So you will take care of Atlantis?
the what?
You will take care of Atlantis?
I pick Atlantis prices. Here it's much more expensive.
Yeah.
Even the food. I mean, the food is just so expensive. I understand a little bit expensive, but here it's like on a different level. So expensive.
Okay, next. So we got a sea turtle, starfish, and octopuses.
The more you're playing, the
And
better.
it is huge. I can't show you guys.
Yeah, it's all good.
Oh, one.
Will do.
They might, you know, work something out for the future.
Let's open this.
Yeah. Well, they tell me you picked it up. You knew the prices before you came. I'd be like, nope, my wife picked it up. Not me. I wouldn't have picked it up.
Wing. That doesn't even stick to the own putty.
Yeah.
The putty's like,
Why not?
oh, that's bad. So we got, this is
Okay.
for
Sadly.
Yes. Yeah.
you see we have something in here. I don't know what, but there's something in here. Oh, it's a
You're from here
whale.
too? Yeah.
Whale or shark. Can't really tell. Oh, it's a whale.
Dude,
It's a
what are
whale.
you doing?
I'm making a YouTube video.
Nice.
And there is a whale. So whale, turtle, starfish,
No, it's much hotter than here. We live in
octopus.
Dallas, Texas. But it's not humid, so you don't sweat.
No?
It's like the temperature is 105.
And that's how much
But you don't
putty we
sweat.
got.
Yeah, it's no humidity.
Look at this, Dad. Look how much putty we got from all those four.
You're gonna throw it, I hope. Right?
Yeah. Ooh, farting putty. Oh, it's wet.
I want to go to Dallas.
You wanna
Oh,
try it?
yeah, it kind of is fart.
Nice. There's another.
It's not meant to be farts, but I think all putty farts.
You want some creamers?
No. We don't want the creams. I didn't.
Want sugar?
No, we're good.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
So you guys.
Okay.
Next one.
Sunday.
Oh, y'all gonna miss the jump canoe. Independence. Y'all gonna miss all the fun things.
Is it on
We're
Sunday?
gonna put a turtle inside the putty.
Next
Boom.
week, Wednesday.
Oh,
And
you're independent.
starfish.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna miss it.
Humpback whale. And then octopus. And this is what it looks
You have any plans to jump on parade?
like. Boom, boom.
No.
Okay, let's go. Put all of these inside the
What do you guys do?
putty.
It's like, that's our culture. It's like,
Okay.
they put like beautiful costumes, they beat on the drums, they shake cowbells, dance,
Right here.
dance.
There is a small Bahamian community in Dallas, actually.
Mhm.
They do.
They are everywhere.
They do a lot of. I mean, they do a couple of things there.
They everywhere.
Boom.
You guys
Okay.
are nice. That's why you're
That's-
everywhere.
They everywhere. All over the world.
Yeah, my friend who married the Bahamian, he lives now in Canada. And they come here. Her family is here. They keep visiting.
Without like doing
He
extra
keeps telling
hard
me.
work.
Come, whenever we're in Bahamas, come. And I'm like, yeah. And then when I came, he couldn't come. He's in
Wow. Oh, Bimini nice too.
Boom.
Bimini? You say Bimini? Italy?
Italy. He was in Italy. His
Oh.
brother was getting married in Italy.
Boom,
Italy.
boom, boom.
Child, there's spots in the world I want to see. I didn't know if I can ever see it.
Yeah, it's something else. But, all good.
Okay. Now we
Enjoy
exit.
your evening.
Thank you so much.
What?
And I hope you get to see the fireworks.
I hope so too.
And that's all. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Yo, yeah, and also watch the shorts.
Yeah.